Ordinary peeps, what's up, brother? Give me 1 second. You see my glasses? Huh? Oh, what?
These glasses?
Yeah, my Gucci's. You ain't think to wipe them?
No, I didn't. Try and put your channel on.
Well, hand me the case so I can wipe. Never mind, I got it right. What you can do is cut this hallway light on.
I'm here to kick your butt. Anything else, Mama?
Yeah, that's cool for right now. Big money, good morning. This market is rocking and freaking rolling. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? This market is rocking and freaking rolling this morning. It's rocking and rolling. Late getting to the party. I'm still gonna have a ball. I need to get focused real quick. Check. Okay, mic check, mic check. 1 2 1 2, mic check. Doing a mic check. Mic check. But I had cut the mic off after I had greeted y'all just so I could go back focusing. You can hear me? It's working? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm here, y'all, but I'm zoned in right now. So I can still, What? Vernon Mitchell got in at the 684 yesterday? What? Give me a minute, man. I gotta zone out, y'all. I'm a little late getting to the market. So y'all do y'all thing. Give me a minute. I gotta zone out. Wow. This is simply beautiful. There's no flaws in this. I don't see no breaks in this. I remember telling the team that we was gonna start playing those weekly plays, those weekly trades. Last week I called out the 680. And Vernon is in a call from yesterday at the 684. That's so awesome, yo. So freaking awesome. We gotta start getting some of this weekly money though. This weekly money, it does because of the fact that we can see the charts. We gotta start applying it to everything. You know what I'm saying? Why I'm missing out on this weekly money? We gotta start getting some of that too. It's too easy. Cause this shit is like a train. No flaws in this. But I tell you though, when she do take a breather, I'm gonna be right there waiting to bust her right in the back. I tell you, boy. I can't even come up with a plan off of this. I can't even come up with a plan off of this. This is just something like yesterday. You just got to wait for playbook setups to show up. And when the playbook setup shows up, you know what I'm saying? You just got to trade it accordingly. You know, unless you're in a long-term position, you know. But if you're not in a long-term position, you just got to wait for setups because we don't have enough information. Look at everything. Doggone it! You know why this was predictable? From that, oh my goodness, from that bearish weekly candle. Those bears are getting squeezed. Oh my freaking goodness. Wait till I tell the team this. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. This, they getting squeezed. That's why we had the gap up. That's why we had to gap up. Oh my goodness, got to do a measure move on this. I'm gonna tell you exactly where this is going. Oh my goodness. Man, I dropped the ball on this. I dropped the ball on this. I should have known better. That's how I trade. Who's in trouble? It doesn't matter. On the weekly, these guys were in trouble. The measured move. Where's the measured move? measure move is 692.5. We going to 692.5. What's today? Tuesday?
Yeah.
We going to 692 this week. 692.5. That's what a measure move is. I need to put a line up here. I was not thinking. I was not. Do you know how much liquidity this is? Do you know how much liquidity this is? Unfreaking believable. Wait till I tell the team this. Huh?
Your mic is on.
My mic is on.
And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey. Thank you for being here on this terrific Tuesday, October the 28th. There's so many places you could be, but I'm so glad that you are here with me. There's some real change traders are in the building, and I gotta give a special shout out to them. Getting ready to do something that we've never done before, and that is trade a day we haven't been blessed with. So much blessing lies in today. Let us take advantage of it. Want to give a big shout out to my Kicking family who is in the building, kicking it as we are growing very large on Kick. And I cannot thank you guys enough for what you are doing. Thank you, because it is truly, truly amazing, because there is no promotion on there. They don't put you out. There's no algorithm to promote you. It's just people who truly stop by, see the value, and decide to follow. So we truly do thank you and do not take you for granted. And of course, there's some real change traders showing up like they do every single day. Nkosi's in the building. Brooke Sanchez is in the building. Dollar Bill, y'all, is in the building. Lady Khadijah Quill is in the building. Walaikum salam rahmatullahi barakatuh. Dr. JB is in the building. Vernon Mitchell is in the building. Quiet Soul is in the building. Big Money Lance is in the building. Ordinary Peeps is in the building. REWTIG1 is in the building. It is about that time for me to show you what my plan is, but guess what? I don't have one for today. I don't know what to tell you. We're at all-time highs. You gotta respect it. But I completely understand why this has happened. And I'm gonna break it down and explain it to the team. As you know, my trading style is who is in trouble. If no one is in trouble, then you are in trouble. There are two areas that I like to look for on the chart. That is pain and pleasure. Where will someone want to stop out at? Where will someone want to take profits at? Those are the two places of pleasure and pain that you will find the majority of liquidity being filled by big money. Do you understand me? Let me break it down to you as we go to the chart, starting with the weekly. And this is exactly where it took place at. Let's go back just a couple weeks ago when we had a monstrous, weekly put. A monstrous weekly downside action where we went from the 674 all the way down to the 653. From the 674 all the way down to the 653. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But now, what we didn't keep in mind, and I have to highlight it because it was already there. Okay? Is this larger controlled buying algo that I already had shown the team, but we just died it out. You see that? How I got it at 67%? Let me bring it back to 0 so you can see. Bam. Well, looky look. What do we have here? A beautiful controlled buying algo. Why is that? Because this is the United States of America. And as long as you live in a Trump America, the stock market will go up, buddy. You better believe it. Like it who like it, don't like it who don't like it, but get paid for those of us who do know. All righty. What a beautiful controlled buying algo. And if you absolutely look at how the market has been performing week by week, you see very, very little red weeks. Take a look. Look for yourself. As BFH enters the building, look for yourself. I've gone all the way back to May. Week by week by week by week. Out of all of these weeks, how many red weeks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was a doji. Only 5 red weeks since May. Let me show you where I'm going with this. As you know, those of you who are trend traders, the best place to buy is not on the breakout, but the retracement. The retracement, number one, does 2 things. Number one, it proves to you that the breakout is valid and not a fake out. When the retracement comes and holds a support level, the second thing this does is gives you a better price to buy. We have to start thinking like big money. We got to start following big money. And I'm saying this to myself because I dropped the ball on this. We should have seen it coming. We should have had an alarm set for it. Just like the fire alarm. When the building is on fire and you need to evacuate. Well, let me tell you something. When we got above 674, I'm going to show you right here. When we got above 674, slide this over. There we go, right there. That was ball game. That was ball game for these bears in this weekly candle. Above this 674, they now had to cover. This is bear cover. This is a bear squeeze we're experiencing right now. We all should be long. We all should have in weekly calls. In addition to the daily bread that we make every day, alhamdulillah. My point is we are beginning to have to start to expand our horizon and our perspective and the actions that we take on things, because our knowledge and understanding applies to all charts. So the same way we use this same pattern and this same setup in buying calls during the day, following proper structure, is the same way that we can apply that same knowledge to a much larger time basis that goes a little bit beyond the daily. Simply using what the market is showing us as our guide, ignoring what kind of chart it is. See, we're so focused on the daily. We're so focused on the 15 and the 5. Some of you guys focus on the 1. It doesn't matter the time frame. If you see a setup where somebody is about to be in trouble, somebody is about to get squeezed, somebody gonna have to run towards the exit door, that's where we need to be, stepping on their necks all the way. Now, let me show you why this happened and where this could go from here. This is what you call, ladies and gentlemen, a measured move. I repeat that, measured move. Shout out Mel Brooks. That's where I got that from. Mel Brooks. Y'all know me, I give everybody their props. As much money as I spent with these people, as much time as I spent learning and watching people, if you have something to benefit that I have learned from, I will shout you out. The same way, if you gain benefit from what I'm sharing with you, I hope you do the same. Bam. This here represents the size of that bearish weekly move. Now, when I place it above the candle itself, where the covering has to start taking place, it brings me all the way up to the 692, where I went ahead and put a line, because that's where I expect the market to go. I'm saying it to you right now. And I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't claim to know anything. But I do have the ability to read. I can read. I can read. And I can also see that any put that you take, it better be a scalp. It better be a scalp. At this point, it better be a scalp. There were times to take puts, long-term puts. That was during a put week. But we've had very far and few between all the way back to May. Again, this is the United States of America. All down pricing is just another opportunity for the buy the dip crew to enter the market. For big money to buy more, because you know they can't enter all of their position at once. So just don't forget what we're trading and why we're trading it. We're trading the SPY because it's steady, because it's reliable, because it moves like a freaking train. Let's take advantage of it in all aspects. That's all I have to say for now. Every line on this chart means something. I see the gap is happening right now. Gap and crap is taking place right now. As you guys know, I remain patient and don't trade until the market has had an opportunity to form and to show us exactly what it wants to do. Only then do I become involved. Coming into today with all-time highs, I have no trading plan coming into the day. I think this might be the first day ever where I don't have a trading plan, but I just realized now why I don't, because I already missed the trade that we were supposed to be in. In fact, this is a beautiful take profit area to be in and to leave a runner. For those of you who are in a call, I know we had one of our teammates who's already in a 684 from yesterday. I mean, let's give a shout out to him, shall we? He understood the assignment, and he got involved and got busy and is getting paid. Ridiculous. A straight prime example of exactly what I'm talking about. I'm scrolling back through the messages now so I can see who it is. Vernon Mitchell is still in a spy call from yesterday at 684. Hope these lines are a guide for you, Vernon, to pad yourself along the way and continue to allow yourself to get paid. Let me go ahead and run through the chat real quick. See what everybody's saying. Trail never hit. I just tightened it up a little bit. Alrighty. My guy, REWTIG1. I don't know what they've done as far as how they have people names up here, but can you go ahead and type in who you are with your name so I don't say REWTIG1? Thanks. Good reminder. Thank you, everybody, for hitting the like button. We do appreciate that. Thank you, team, for also checking in on Kick. We also appreciate that. For those of you who are tuned in on Kick, we are live also right now, streaming on Kick, and we are growing on Kick. Very humbly, I would like to say we are giving anyone a run for their money that is listed in the crypto and trading category. As you know, Kick has several different categories, and they actually created this new category called crypto and trading. They did it recently. I remember when I first started, I was in the just chatting category, and they removed me from that and put me in a category called crypto and trading. So I was one of the first people to be in that category. And we are growing in that category. So shout out to those of you who are kicking it with us on Kick. We will be doing a lot more exclusive, a lot more behind the scenes things with Kick, as I can also stream on the go with Kick, not just here behind my desk. So we look forward to bringing you guys some very beneficial, educational information, some real change in every sense of the word. All right, so now we know the first 5 minutes are very volatile. We know the first 15 minutes can trick you. Beautiful scalp right out the gate if you had the balls to take it. Myself, I'm gonna wait. Brooks is calling for a 686 4 for a call. Okay. And 685.7 for a put. Okay. I'm gonna put that on here, Brooks. 685. I don't have a plan, so I don't have any problem putting yours up here. We'll go ahead and put an alarm there where Brooks takes the put, calling out a nice area for the team. Something I need to add though. So if I was gonna take a put here, Brooks, I would wait till we break this 685 6 area and get a close below it and then a continuation candle, because this area could act as support. I know how you like to short the gap. That was definitely possible, and you definitely would have made money with that this morning, shorting that gap for certain. But just be aware that there is support in this area, and I'd rather see you get below that 685.5 with a close, and then a continuing candle like this, sir. I just see us get a candle close, and then the following candle, let that be your money. Putting your entry. Yes, sir. My bro, you want to be on? You want to?
That gap like a motherfucker, bro. I'm so happy right now, bro.
I do. That was your trade.
Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna take a little walk.
Hold on, Brooks. Hold on. Do you want to be on air, or you want me to take you off air?
No. I don't give a shit, man. That's what I want to be on air.
Okay. Well, let's give it up for Brooks Sanchez, who is joining the chat. Let's give it Brooks. All right. Mute your TV in the background.
I just did. You know, it works 80% of the time. You know, and I wait for it to at least to reject like once it passes like the 33%. You know, like once it's going down or whichever way it's going, when it rejects that 33%, I'm in all the way, bro. It covers the whole gap. And it's still going, bro. It's going to the 200 right now, man.
Man, I love it for you, bro. I said I know this is your trade, that gap and crap. You know what I mean?
Crap, man. That's
but you know what I mean? And feeling it. And then so with that being the case, I said, let me hurry up real quick and look and see where this thing might, you know what I'm saying, bounce at. You know what I'm saying? And draw that line up here real quick. And then so that nobody else will, you know, run and chase it. Like, you know, let it close first below that 685, then catch it on the next leg down. You know what I mean? Because you don't want nobody to run and chase it and get snatched up real quick, because it could be a lot of support.
Of course. I mean, what I'm thinking that is.
Did you leave a runner though?
685.30.
Did you leave a runner? I put it on the chart. Like I put a diagram of where it needs to come to and close, however, and then the following candle will be your money maker if it's not, you know what I'm saying, a trick.
Boom! My runners just got canceled.
Okay, your runner just got took out?
Yeah. I had two runners, and I was gonna tell you that right where it hit the 680. Where is it? 685.30.
Mm-hmm.
That's where my last two went out. I just left those to see if something happened, and it's keeping on going down, bro.
I love it, bro. Man, I'm so happy for you, bro.
Bro, I'm happy that I'm part of this team, man, because without this, man, you know, like half the knowledge that I know wouldn't be available to me.
Man, it's amazing,
you know
bro. It's amazing. And then listen, it's amazing to see it, you know what I'm saying, put in action. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I just remember when we got together at the first, you know what I'm saying, meetup in Miami that was so gracefully hosted. You know what I'm saying, by you. It's just a benefit, you know what I'm saying, when the team gets together, you know, all the way around, man. So we just, you know what I mean, and thank you for being diligent, and, you know what I mean, thank you for continuing to put in the hard work, and, you know what I'm saying, and allowing me to do my best to keep you and everybody safe. And the market is showing you right now exactly why I just told everybody, don't chase this.
Don't chase the trend.
Wait for the candle to close. You understand me? Wait till we get what we want to see, and then, I mean, you know what I mean? So, I don't know how much longer I can keep this up for free.
Whenever you're ready, I'm going to buy a plane ticket. We're going to have a good time in West Virginia.
Man, come on, man. We got to do it, man. Maybe we can do the next, you know what I'm saying, meet up, you know what I'm saying, in Virginia, man. That'd be nice, man. What I want to do is get a survey and see where everybody is and take that in consideration and see what everybody's age and ability. Because me and you was kind of young, so me and you could make it easy us to go see somebody else. It's difficult for them to get here, just so we can have more people. You know what I'm saying?
They're like Lance, man. Lance went from Philly. He picked me up from.
I know, man. God bless him, man.
Like, when you're about it, you're about it. You know what I'm saying? The team members need to be about it because we are about it.
We about it,
do
bro.
this shit for free. You know what I'm saying?
It's a blessing, bro. It is, man. But man, congratulations on that, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll let you get back to your thing, man. Much love to you. Much love to the team that they can hear me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You on the mic?
All right. Cool.
All right, bro. Thanks for calling.
Yeah, man.
Brooke Sanchez, everybody. And I want to thank everybody for hitting the like button. Do appreciate that. Let me see, is anybody else in any trades right now? Ken Mack. All right, cool. Thank you, Ken Mack. I'm gonna have to remember. Let me write that down. Got you, Ken Mack. Todd Macon. Oh, it's Todd Macon. It's R-E-T-I-G is Todd Macon. Hopefully nobody is in this trade right now. It's the same diagram. You just move it over. Hold on, let me come back here. All right. So it didn't happen in that candle, so you want to move it over. You just want to move everything over. Okay. What we want to see is a close below this area. Okay? We want to see a close below the 685.6 area. We want to see a close, and then we want to get in on the continuation candle, if that is what you so choose. Let me get a little color for you, make it easy for you. Me, I'm waiting till 10. I'm in chill mode. All I need is 5 minutes. I don't need a long time. I just need a good time. See? So you don't get caught up in that. See how you would have got caught up in that, chasing that? And with options, it would have destroyed you. Again, we need to see a close and then a continuation candle. So that, again, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just share what I see with the team. If it can benefit you, great. If you choose to ignore it, great. As long as we're having fun. With me, my goal is to make money. I like to be as close to having the most edge as possible. Stop. I can't understand what everybody's in. Shorts. Let's get paid. BFH. Short scalp out. Dr. JB said looking for a call at 684. Okay. So he thinks it's going to come down at 684. He's looking for a call down there. All right. Looking for a bounce. Dollar Bill said he's looking for a bounce at the 685. Yahamakala at the 685 area. Okay. 685 area. See why we have to be safe, guys? Beautiful. Dr. JB, your call might be coming early, sir. Your call might be coming early. It's a lot of liquidity right here that needs to get filled. This does provide a very nice opportunity to also create a lower high and possibly retest the 20 at the 686.4. So this does present a nice opportunity to make some money in 5 minutes. Or you can wait until this candle closes and take the ensuing candle. But as I just stated, I can't keep doing this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful call scalp opportunity right up to that 686.4 that I just called out. Man, crazy. Also, we will not be running the live all day. There's no more need for it. We're going to get in, get the money, and get gone. That is how we're going to do. We will not be running the live all day. If there is a need for a recap, I'll start making additional videos, recaps. BFH. Yes, sir. And the beautiful thing, man, the blessing is that we can do this every day. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. We do it every day. Now, I do promise the team that next month I will be trading more aggressively. This month, however, I stuck to a 20-day rule, which was not trading before 10 o'clock, giving the market completely enough time to form, finding my opportunity, picking the market apart, and it has worked tremendously. Next month, I will be a little bit more aggressive, trading a little bit more like Dr. JB style, and I will do that for the whole month and do a comparison. Thank you, BFH. Yes. And I want to share something with you guys. What helped me no longer have FOMO. Libation, please. Libation. Libation. Give me a second, team. Alrighty, as we come back on the 10 o'clock candle. And before I left, I was going to share with the team what has benefited me to no longer have FOMO when it comes to trades, when it comes to seeing trades happen that I'm not a part of, when it comes to being patient, waiting for a clear opportunity and setup, is because I came to the realization that I did not have to have FOMO, because I realized that the FOMO was derived around the fear of me thinking that I would never see another setup. That I would never see another setup. That if I didn't trade this trade, I'd never be able to make money again. Once I realized how absolutely ridiculous that was, and once I bore witness to just how many times the market gives us to make profit and to take profit, whether it's scalps, whether it's trend trades, it's a variety, that cured my FOMO. It's like being on a bus stop. The only time you will panic at the bus stop is if you think you just missed the last bus. If you think that was the last bus, you panicking. But if you know another bus is coming because you're within the allotted time, sound like hold on 2 seconds. If you know that another bus is coming because you're within that allotted time, you're gonna relax. You're gonna sit down. And that's the same thing here. When you have faith in your setups, when you believe in your system, when you know what you're looking for, when you know what setups bring you your money, you have no need to have fear, only patience. And that's where the real money comes from. The only thing you're gonna get in a hurry over here is trouble. Y'all give me a minute, I'll check back with your team.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform. Describe what you want, and watch it take shape. You can plan, customize, and expand in any direction. From tools built for one to platforms ready for many. From passion projects to enterprise-grade systems, everything is built in and ready to launch. It's a new world of creation, where you can go as far as your imagination takes you. Can you imagine it? Let's make your dream a reality right now.
Great. The new GoDaddy Aero has AI marketing tools to help small businesses easily reach thousands of customers. It writes sweet social ads and email marketing. It even analyzes the results to boost business. I better start up in my game with some sweet new moves.
Guess who's back in the disco? Moving so cool, so slick like Crisco. Bet you ain't did it like this though. Brand new chain, new clothes, and the wrist froze.
Alrighty, team, I am back. And let's keep in mind that at all times the market is in one of three stages. The market is either in a constriction stage, an expansion stage, or a trend stage. We're either coming out of one, going into other. We want to stay out of constriction and expansion. We want to take advantage of the trend phase. So the first thing you always want to do is identify what phase the market is in. Right now it's in the constriction phase. You can tell by the low volume. You can also tell by the small body size candles. After the constriction phase will come the extension phase, where it will attempt to take out the recent high and lows, which will be, put it right here. I'll draw a little map. It will be here. And here. Okay. After the market goes through the extension phase, then we will have the trend phase, and that's where you want to make your money, being safe and secure. So, if that were you, you want to look for a put below the 685, okay? And you want to take that possibly to the 683 too. So that will be a plan that I create for myself. Will I get a chance to execute it today? Who knows? But being patient allowed me to finally see something. We'll go with 686. Get in below that 685. And 684.7. Take profits. 683.5. Bam. And if you want to go to the upside, let's call this 685. We'll go 686.5. Take that profit right back, possibly to where she came from this morning, 687. Bam! That's all I got for you today, team. I'm gonna set my alarms and get on up out of here. As I told you guys before, I got some people I love that are in the hospital. 3 people, 3 different states. I'm gonna set my alarm. Hopefully I'll be able to get into this trade. It's gonna happen, just a matter of time. And then I will set it and let it. Yep, Dollar Bill said nothing here. I do agree. Volume is extremely low. Relative volume is extremely low. Why? Because tomorrow's FOMC, so I will be cutting it live off short today. There's no need to mess around. We know it's going down tomorrow for sure, for sure. FOMC. Make that safe money if you can. Make that safe money if you can. If you want to be a little bit safer on your put, a little bit more conservative, come on in at the 684.7 and just slide everything down. Take your profits from the 684.7 to the 683.5. Plenty of profits. I'll put an alarm there where that profit target will be. Yes, sir. I'll put an alarm back here. We get back. that profit target. So both profit targets are set. See what the market does. Not anticipating a whole lot. Again, remember we go from constriction phase to extension phase, where the market tries to take out both bulls and bears, take out both recent highs, and then we go into a trend phase. Alrighty, thank you so much, BFH. Thank you so much, team. Again, I will leave the chart open momentarily. If I don't see anything by 11 o'clock, wrapping it up. Thank you. God bless you and be well. Bye for now. Be patient, be patient, BFH. Be patient, BFH. Dollar Bill said, you know where. You guys are hilarious. Hilarious. Alrighty, team. I showed you the two areas very definitively that we needed the market to break with a close and then a continuation. We did not get that. The volume is getting even lower. We understand what's going on. FOMC is tomorrow, so that will conclude today's